Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Ibispaint X and picking the layer you will change. Tap Filter, then Color Range to open the selector. This jumps straight into color-based masking. Use the eyedropper to sample the exact hue you want, and then adjust tolerance to widen or tighten which shades are included. Once done, preview the marching ant selection. Make sure to switch between normal and additive sampling to include multiple spots, because that gives you precise control before you edit. Now refine the selection so it matches the area you want to change. Increase tolerance or range to capture similar shades, or decrease them for a tighter cut. This balances how much of the image is affected. Use the plus eyedropper to include other tones, and the minus to remove stray colors. Once refined, zoom to 100% and scrub the preview for hard edges and haloing. If you see artifacts, back off tolerance and resample until the mask is clean and natural. Finish by applying your change. Use hue/saturation, bucket fill, or create a new layer and paint within the selection. Blend modes help integrate color shifts naturally. If edges look too sharp, apply a small feather or Gaussian blur of 1 to 3 pixels to soften the transition. If things go wrong, colors leaking or missing, resample problematic areas, lower tolerance, or switch to manual mask painting with a 0.5 to 2 px brush. This gives pixel-level fixes when automatic tools can't fully resolve edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.